there guys, this is Tracy here and welcome back to Toy Broadway, and boy have I got a fantastic video for you today. I'm going to be sharing the Road Rippers City Fleet garbage truck and also the Dicky Toys air pump garbage truck. So let's unbox them and take a close look. So let's start with the Dicky Toys air pump garbage truck, and this is what it looks like on the back of the box. So we'll just take a close look inside. Wow, looks fantastic. Let's take a close look. So this is the air pump action button, and that just lifts up the back, and to release the air we just press this button here. So that releases it, and here we have our super duper recycling wheelie bin, which we can clip onto the back here. I think we turn it around and it just clips on like so. Okay, and then we can lift it up. The waste can go in the back of the truck. So that's our first vehicle. And here we have the Road Rippers garbage truck. And you can collect others here as well. There are 3 on the back that you can collect. So let's take it out of its box and let's have a close look. We have a wheelie bin, and here is our truck. And again we'll take a close look. It's got 4 buttons on the top, so let's press one of them. Oh wow! Oh, that's very cool, I love that. And we can clip the wheelie bin on the back here, like so. And let's press one of the other buttons, shall we? And the last button to press is this one, and I think it will make the garbage truck shoot off. So here we go. So if you like toys then guys, be sure to like this video and be sure to subscribe to Toy Broadway, and up and coming will be 4 boxes. Touch on one of those boxes to continue the toy fun.